Hi families, this is Favor from Favorite Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to make a DIY hair detangling spray. This is what I use for my hair. Anytime I need to comb my hair, I use this as a detangler. What do I have for this? The ingredients are I use argan oil, lavender essential oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil. This is still argan oil. Water. I have my measuring cup and a spray bottle. For this batch, I'm going to make a 4 ounces of this spray. What do I need for this? I need 1 tablespoon of argan oil, few drops of lavender, a tablespoon of tea tree oil, and few drops of vitamin E oil. This argan oil, I have this argan oil, but it's too thick for my spray bottle. Just too thick, so I don't use this. Rather, I use this because this is okay for the spray bottle. So let's do that. I put 1 tablespoon argan oil into my spray bottle. You could interchange. You could use any oil of your choice that you use for your hair. This is tea tree oil. Put in my spray bottle. Yes, darling. You could use any oil of your choice. You could use coconut oil. You could use any oil. I'm going to put like 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Of the vitamin E oil, then 10 to 15 drops of the lavender oil. Good. That's it. That's it. But you could add rosemary. Rosemary essential oil is a good oil for all hair types. So at this point now, you now add your 4 ounces of water. 4 ounces. Add the oil first, then the water. That's it. That's what I use to detangle my hair and my baby's hair too. So, anytime you want to use it, you just shake it up. Shake up the bottle, and that's it. My hair detangler. I keep it in the refrigerator to last longer. That's how I do it. See you guys when I'm going to be losing my hair. Join us too on this hair journey. I'll be showing more of what I use for my natural hair, and so on. Join me on the next video. Thank you.